Hi guys, it's Channing here. As you guys can see, my bun is an absolute mess. And it's a mess because I don't have any sort of cute hair accessory or even a donut sock bun in order to help me with this struggle bun here. But Whirl-a-Style, whom I'm working with at the moment, they sent me quite a few hair accessories, and I have this. This is a Klicinz Jumbo Large hair accessory. You can do quite a few things with it. Accomplish fast, easy, perfect hairstyles. It's for buns, knots, and twists. Like, I'm really gonna play with this and figure out what all I can do with it, but for today we're just gonna stick with a bun. And it does not cause any type of damage due to the material, and hair extensions are okay. So if I wanted to add a ponytail and, you know, in order to accomplish a much better look, I could do that as well. And I have this in 3 sizes. So right now I'm using the jumbo one. I'm just going to, pull it apart. I'm only using my hair at the moment. I want to kind of get familiar with the products with my hair prior to, you know, adding anything. So I'm going to take it up since the inside of my hair is shorter because of my hair in the back. I think I do this. And I roll it. And then I snap it. So I could actually use the medium one from the looks of it, but we're gonna see how the large turns out. This is actually a little hard. I'm using the large one because I want a large bun. Okay. Come on. Okay. And now we're just gonna move that around. Oh yeah. That works for me. And my hair is kind of damp right now, so of course it'll have a bit more volume as it dries. But there we are. We have a really cute donut bun and a side front ponytail. So just imagine, like, I know this would be so cute if I added extensions and I, you know, had a real huge bun. Keep a lookout on my Instagram page because I'm pretty sure, you know, for like the days I'm not filming and stuff and I'm just doing regular styling, I will be posting a few pictures just showing different styles that I've accomplished using these hair accessories. But right now I'm just getting familiar with them. I will be putting out more, so, you know, don't worry. I will try a few with extensions as well because I have so many different products. I mean, well, so many different accessories that I have to show you guys, and so many different ways of using them, if you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please check out Whirl-a-Style.com. I will put the website here. Check them out. They have so many different hair accessories, a different variety, you know, unique styles that can be accomplished as well. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!